The basic idea of leasing a vehicle is that you pay for the vehicle's depreciation over the course of 2 to 3 years. Here is a typical lease scenario. You have your MSRP, which is your sticker price, minus any rebates or discounts that you can possibly qualify for, and that gets you the selling price. This is what you're buying the vehicle for. This number down here is the residual value, or RV, and this is the number that the bank says the vehicle is going to be worth at the end of the lease. So what you're paying for is the depreciation, or the difference between the selling price and the residual value spread out over a monthly payment to the course of the lease. Now, just a side note, if you were leasing a recreational vehicle, you would have an RV of an RV. So how do you know if leasing is right for you? Well, if you are a low mileage driver, if you want the lowest possible payment on a brand new car, if you want full factory warranty on your vehicle, and if you want the latest technology and safety features, then that means you are a good candidate for leasing. But how do you know if it's perfect for your situation? Well, at the end of the lease, there are 3 things that you can do. You can turn it in. Here are the keys, I'm done, I don't need your services anymore, I'm gonna ride a bicycle forever. You can buy it, and you can buy it for the RV, or the residual value, at the end of the lease. The good news about this is that you don't have to, but sometimes it's a very good deal, because all it is a guess from the bank as to what the vehicle's gonna be worth. The third thing you can do is to re-lease. A lot of times they'll come out with promotions where you can get out of your lease early and get into something brand new for a similar payment. Now, for this option, you need a dealership and a salesman that you can trust. And this is where we come in.